Good morning, grade 7. Welcome to our Literature 101. But before that, let us first discuss our objectives for this lesson. The first objectives that we have is at the end of the lesson, you are expected to use the polite expressions in a conversation. And then the second one is to deduce the meaning of the word from the context. And the third one is to interpret the line of a poem. And the fourth one is you are asked to show your teamwork during the group activity. And the last one, you will be able to present these activities at the front of the class. Before we proceed to our lesson, let us first watch this short video presentation. So class, what can you say about the video? Yes, it is an ethnic song and a song for courtship. Now class, look at this woman on the board. Now let us pretend this girl is your crush and you want to court her. How will you, as a Filipino gentleman, would pursue an attractive woman like her? Nice! And now, for example, you choose to write a letter. What will you write in this letter? Very nice answer. Class, look at this man on the board. Can you describe him for me? That's right. Now, let's pretend that this man is your crush and he wants to court you. What will you, as a Filipina, would tell him if he asks to court you? Okay, but don't you think you are too young to have a boyfriend? What else would you like to answer? I asked you about courtship because we will talk about a poem entitled Ambahan. which is one of the lyric poems used by the Mamians to court a woman they like. But before we start, how many of you know what poem is? Very good. All of your answers are correct. So a poem is a highly expressive written in verse and arranged with rhyme and meter. There are many kinds of poetry. What kinds of poetry do you know? Very good. Your answers are correct. We have the narrative, epic, dramatic, elegy, and lyric poetry. So according to our book, The Ambahan, is grouped under the lyric poetry. Lyric, do you know or understand this word? Very nice. So now, lyric poetry would be a poem with words. Yes, every poem is composed of words, but what does the word lyric would tell about this type of poem? Very well said. This type of poetry is meant to be sung. So the poem Ambahan is a Mamian poem that meant to sing to court the woman they like. Okay, French, can you please read the poem out loud? So class, what do we do if someone is reading out loud in the class? Okay class, what are the words that you did not understand in the poem? Please write the words and say. So the first word that we have is the word biyan. The second one is bright. The third one is grass. The fourth is manage. And the fifth one is place. The other words is race, cease, and sight. And now class, can you please give me a sentence using these words? So now, let us go to interpret the meaning of the poem. So the first stanza says that the moon is so full and bright, shining in front of the house. How can you explain to me that the rays are soft and cold? So class, are you still looking at the moon every night? So can you please differentiate between the rays of sun and moon? Very well said. Now in this stanza, what is being described? If a man like us he were, I could hold him by the hand, seize the hair to keep him back, grasp the clothes to make him stay. So in this stanza, who is being described in the moon? Yes, very good, that's correct, a man. Do you know what the figure of speech was used in the stanza? Exactly. Very good. And so in this stanza, how the personification was used? Yes, very good. The moon was compared to a man. Anyone else to answer? Yes, the moon has given a human traits. What are the human traits? Yes, the moon was given a hand. Another traits? He has given a hair. Nice. So now let's go to the third stanza. But how could I manage that? It is the moon in the sky, the full moon shining so bright, going down beyond the hills, disappearing from the plain, out of the sight behind the rocks. So, this last stanza is talking about what? Yes, correct, about the moon. Right, what else does it talk about the location of the moon? Yes, Can you please read the part where it says the location of the moon? Very good. The moon is in the sky. So is the moon going anywhere else? Correct. Anywhere else? Very nice. So now, why do you think the speaker of the poem wants the moon to stay? Yes, that can be the cause. But remember, this poem is used to court a woman. What time of the day do you think the Mangyans court the woman they like? Yes, at night. So does this courtship have anything to do with the moon? Okay, so if the moon at the night, then the court women during? Yes, very good, the night. So why do you think the man wants the moon to stay? That's right. The man wants the moon to stay long because he wants more time to court the woman. Very good. Who can repeat the answer of Janina? Nice. Thank you for your answer. Okay, class, since our time has ended already, please proceed to your groupings. So, class, this will be your activity and assignment for the next meeting. Group 1 will make a love letter and then read it in the front. Group 2, practice the choral reading of the poem, then perform it. Group 3, you will draw your ideal man or a woman and tell to the class why you like her. So the group 4 will find and perform a song that's a song for courtship. So class, thank you for listening and see you on next Wednesday. Take care and God bless. Please do your assignments and your activity.